Odoo CRM tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Odoo's CRM. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So here you can see I'm on odoo.com, and Odoo is like an ERP. An ERP is a system or a website that has all the tools that an enterprise will need. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. So that's what ERP stands for. And they have pretty much every single resources that a company would probably need. So they've got CRMs, signs, knowledge, point of sales, discussions, website, HR, dashboard, purchase, tons and tons of more. But in today's video, we are going to be taking a look at the CRM. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up. Now, the sign up process is actually pretty simple. You can try it for free. You can see right here that give you 30 days. You can sign up for 30 days and you can choose one of these apps completely for free. So you can choose this app completely for free, and any other app that you want to go ahead and try, you can go ahead and get a trial for 30 days. So it's pretty cool. Now, I already have an account that I've created plenty of accounts, and they've contacted me about it as well. They're like, yo, you got a lot of accounts, what's the deal? But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and sign in because I don't want to create another account, and catch you guys in a sec. And now I'm logged in, and this is my database. You can see right here, when you sign up onto Odoo, you create a company or a database, and this is mine. If I open it up, you can see we got the download, shares, and everything, and we can click on connect, and we can go ahead and connect it to a certain application or connect it to Odoo itself, and we are logged in, and this is my applications or discussions or stuff like that. So here I have everything. So here is the discussion app, dashboard, inventory, manufacturing barcode, everything, right? And here is the apps that are available on Odoo, and I can go ahead and install any one of them. So since we want CRMs, this is the one that we want. We'll click on install. I'm gonna go ahead and check. You can test the feature during a 15-day period. After this period, your database will be locked unless you buy Odoo subscription, right? So we're going to confirm it. So there we go. All right, it is now installed and we are good to go. So now we're going to go back, and we have the CRM option right here. CRM tool is now available. You see right here, your free trial will expire in 14 days. That's fine. It's the Autobot. Close that up. We're going to click on CRM and open it up and show you how you can get started with it. So this is the CRM. Here you will have your pipeline, all right? Within the CRM, within the pipeline, you will have opportunities. You can create opportunities over here, and you can see on the back, we have some. They use the new button or send the info to test the email gateway. That's fine. This is the new button, and here we go. All right. So there were supposed to be a few leads at the back, but I don't see them anymore. So let me actually go ahead and create an opportunity to start playing with my timeline. So company, here I will have the company. Contact, I'll just choose one. A contact over here. Here is the contact section. Here I can create the contact. So I'll create one as well. So I'll name this guy Brandon, and then here Brandon. And yeah, so then that's the company. Job position, sales. I'll go with sales, and we got street address and everything. So we'll leave that as it is, and then we'll save. We now have a contact, company, and their email as well. And then down below, we've got our deal. So now we'll just simply add it, and boom, we now have a opportunity. This is a lead now, all right? And this is how you can create different leads or different opportunities and add them to your pipeline, all right? So since this is the pipeline, at the top, you will see you have these stages. These are the qualifying stages for your lead. Whenever you have a lead, you create it over here. And once it's created, you can move it around as you go. So you can see right here, when you open it up, it'll also look something similar to this one. Here you will have the stages right here. So here you will see the probability. The AI will, assess that for you. If you click on that AI button, this is the sample data. As you can see, it'll go ahead and read everything and give you an assessment on it. So here you can add notes. Here you have the phone number, tag, whatever. You can see we don't have a meeting yet. So we can go ahead and schedule one as well. So here we go. So this is the calendar app as well. It's switching between them. We can go ahead and set up a meeting over here. So we can even synchronize it with someone. So this is the opportunity. That looks good. Attendees are going to be me and the other guy as well. And then over here we can add a video call URL, which could be a Zoom meeting link. We can add that, and then we can save it, right? And they will have received the email for this meeting as well. So there we go. It's now saved. So now if we go back to the CRM, here we can see that a meeting is now scheduled. Now, once that meeting, let's suppose it is, concluded, and we've made a deal, we've sorted something out, you know what, we're good to go. And we can write a feedback over here. Meeting went well, and then we can click on done. All right, meeting went well. Boom, that's the feedback. And here, let's say we've determined from that meeting that, this lead does qualify. This person does qualify for our needs, for our services, whatever they may be. Then we can go ahead and send them a proposition, schedule another meeting, send them a message, call, whatever, schedule another meeting, and then we can go ahead and move along as the stages goes on. And that's how we can either we win the lead or we lose the lead. That's you can set up different people as well. So for the qualifiers, it could be certain group of people. Then you have the sales team. Those are going to be the ones that are handling the propositions and stuff like that. And then they're going to determine whether or not they won the deal or not. So pretty simple. That's how you can set up the pipelines as well. And also you can generate leads over here by clicking on the generate lead button over here. So here, how many leads would you like? So here you can select companies and their contacts. All right, you can select countries, the industry they work in. So let's say we want the media, and you can add filter size or whatever, and then preferred role, you can go with whatever option you want, right? So you could go with customer service and communication and consulting. So yeah, then just simply click on generate leads, and it's going to go ahead and scour or find you some leads online. So here we go. So we have Geo News Radio and the Express Tribune. So here we got their phone numbers, their emails. Right here you can see how much their time zones, the technologies that they have. Pretty cool. And we can go ahead and contact them, send them messages, see whether or not they're interested. And we can use this exact same method in other countries as well. For example, if I were to click on new, lead generation, is that option is gone. I don't think it's available anymore. Let me see whether or not it's available. Here we go. It's back. We're going to click on generate leads, companies. We're going to go with the United States. We're going to go with Michigan, all right, or Missouri, whatever you want to call. And the industry should be software and services. And let's go with generate leads. Now we're going to see some more leads. Here we go. So we got PTL, Cerner, and MDoc. These are a few leads that are available. We open them up. You can see this is their email. This is their phone number. This is the company, sectors, employees. They have like 29,000 employees. And this is their estimated revenue, $1 billion. MDoc, damn, what do they do? And then these are all the technologies that they've used, or I don't know what it is, but yeah, we can go ahead and send them messages and stuff. So this is how you can generate leads as well. So if you watched the video so far, then you know now how this website works perfectly and how you can use it to make money online and how you can use it to start your own business online as well. Just make sure to do everything I did in the video in a step-by-step manner and you'll be good to go. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or come across any problem whatsoever, then let me know in the comment sections down below and I'll be sure to help you out in any way I can as soon as possible. So having said that, thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you guys in the next video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.